So guys, maglalaro tayo ng The Survey. At first time ko lang maglalaro ng horror game. Okay, let's go. The Survey. Oh my God! First time ko lang maglaro ng horror game. Okay, let's do this. Start survey. Yes. Okay, I will be honest.
Whatever best decision in life,
Okay,
without a question,
now,
together.
are you having a nice day?
Everest appliances,
Yes.
energy
Have you looked around you? Then take a look around. Oh! Oh my God. Are you familiar with it? Okay. You just have woken up. Do you know where? No. Not good. Have you ever had a panic attack? Nope. Good. Do you believe there is God? Yes. Do you believe in ghosts? Yes. Are you answering this question out of free will? Are you sure? Yes. Good. Do you feel comfortable in your room? No. Is the light went on? Yes. Really? Yes. Have you ever wondered when you will die? No. Are you scared of that door? Yes. Have you looked around? No. Do you have any Oh, si Dion, yung kaklase ko. If you suddenly went missing, could anybody come looking for you? No. Are you alone? Yes. Have you looked out of window? No. If you scream, would everybody hear? Do you know the person standing there? Ayoko to! Ano ba yun? Walang answer. Ba't walang answer? Ano to? Tagal. Do you know the person standing behind you? No? Relax. Take some time to relax. Okay. Relax did scare you. Yes. Are you alone now? No. Do you believe that I know a little secret about you? No. Are you strong? Paano ito alam? Yes. Is all of this enough for you? Yes. Well, you want to end the survey now? No to! Really? Yes. You have made it this one. And now you want to quit. I will ask you one again, just to be sure. Do you really want to do Sabrina? Fine. I get it. You can leave. Okay. Pipikit ako. Hey! Leave. Okay. Next. Bawal pala gumamit ng mic. Mic. Ayoko na nagkaroon ako ng heart attack sa third survey. Joke lang, panic attack. Oh my God, first time ko lang magkaroon nun. Ito! Wala makita! Okay. For today's video, sana na-enjoy niyo to. At bye-bye!